Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you're new here, my name is Sam and I'm so glad that you guys are joining me for a new video. I thought I would try something a little bit different. I just finished filming another video where I needed a table and it was from this angle. And then I also had a book haul that I've gotten recently, and so I thought instead of sitting in front of the camera, because today's like a not gonna shower, not gonna do my makeup, not gonna do my hair kind of day. I know you guys get that. I know you guys understand. Try something a little different and see how you guys like this, because I feel like normally when I do my Halloween book hauls, I feel like I just kind of rushed through them a lot, and I don't know, I just wanted to kind of switch it up. I tried to get a little vibe going on here, but the lighting is a little wacky just because it is a little bit later in the day and I was filming earlier. So before we get into my Halloween book haul, real quick, if there's any questions in the comments about any of these items, I thought I would just go ahead and go through them real quick. So this wooden block that says 31 October, I got this from Oriental Trading recently, and you guys can watch my previous Halloween haul. It's my first haul of 2023 Halloween decor haul. And then this little skeleton hand, I get compliments on this when I post it. Usually I will have it holding a candle or a plant. I don't know, do we like that better? Or do we like, I should have probably worked on this before I started filming, right? Skeleton hand, I got this at Target a few years ago. Probably know of this book, The Little Book of Halloween, Mickey Mueller. All sorts of little traditions about Halloween. It has little ideas that you can do to celebrate Halloween. And then today's candle, I'm just continuing burning what I was burning filming my last video. This scented candle, it's called Footsteps to Fall. It's by Lively Ghost, and I just love it so much. I love the amber glass. You can't see it. I will try to insert a photo right here. It says all the senses of an approaching season. Gray skies, weightless fog, quiet dust, soft rain, glowing embers, black crows. This one is a pretty light one. I had a few questions when I posted it on my Instagram, and it is a lighter fragrance. They have some other ones like the color orange and just a lot of fall candles that I want to get. But if you guys are interested, definitely check out Lively Ghost, and you can use my affiliate code, which is Halloween Happy. You can use that at checkout and save some money. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. So if you happen to be new here, I am a collector of Halloween books. I collect more so on the side of kids Halloween books, and then also like young teen. Very nostalgic for me, and I've just always been a Halloween book collector, and they're like one of my favorite things in my collection. These ones that I'm going to show you today, I got them recently, found them at a few thrift shops. Here is the stack that I'm going to be hauling today. So the first book is Return to Holiday Inn. This is part of the Bunniculas series by James Howell, illustrated by Alan Daniel. I'll go ahead and read the backs of them too. The animals sense something is wrong in the Monroe house. Howie is racing around his little dachshund legs pretending he's chasing hubcaps at the Indianapolis 500. Bunnicula is hopping all over his cage as if he's dancing on hot tar, and Harold is desperately trying to get some sleep. Chester insists something terrible is about to happen, and he's right. The Monroes are going on vacation and the animals are going to Chateau Bow Wow, known to them as Holiday Inn. This visit turns out to be even worse than the last harrowing experience. With a whole new cast of characters, a very sad Great Dane, a pair of worried yuppie puppies, and two sinister sisters who pride themselves as cat burglars. But even more frightening are the voices in the night, mysterious disappearances, and the bone-chilling secrets of Holiday Inn. I always like to see like who these belonged to, also like if there's any notes or any names in there. Some of the books too that I have will have the library card still in there, which I think is kind of neat. I don't know if you guys can tell, but can you see like how the pages have aged on the outside? This next one will probably seem familiar to you. This is part of the Goosebumps series by R.L. Stine. Absolutely love Goosebumps. I love R.L. so much. He definitely got me through my childhood and made me feel less alone in being my spooky little creepy self. I'm sure you guys were a huge fan of Goosebumps as well, and this is part of the Most Wanted series. Zombie Halloween Special Edition. When I got this, I noticed that it said now a major motion picture, and so Joe was asking me, was this the book that the movie was based on? I mean, it kind of seems pretty similar. How crazy. This was at TJ Maxx. Interesting. $5.99. Come on, TJ Maxx. What happens at this house on Halloween? Kenny Manzetti was the new kid in town. His family moved back into an old house to help take care of his grandfather. Everyone in his new neighborhood is obsessed with zombies, even Grandpa Mo. But then a new family moves in next door and their choice of furniture is interesting. Kenny is convinced that there is something strange about the new neighbors, but his parents won't listen to him. So Kenny and his friends go in for a closer look. A bad idea on any day, but definitely the wrong choice around Halloween. Will Kenny survive long enough to go trick-or-treating? Okay, so yeah, now a major motion picture starring Jack Black, of course, Goosebumps. Play Goosebumps. Listen to Goosebumps. I have one audio CD of Goosebumps that I found at a thrift store a few years ago. But in the movie, is it his grandpa? Why did I think it was his uncle? These just take me back to the book fairs, you know? So I just noticed sometimes when I see Halloween books, I will just grab them. And by Halloween, I mean like spooky, creepy, just anything, you know? And I realized that this was the first of the Holiday Inn, and then this one must be the second one that I've already showed. Not exactly a 4-star hotel. On the animal's very first night there, the silence is pierced by a peculiar wake-up call. An earthy howl that makes Chester observe that the place should be called Holiday Inn. But the mysterious cries in the night, Chester is convinced there are werewolves afoot, are just the beginning of the frightening going on. Soon animals start disappearing and there are whispers of murder. Is checkout time at Chateau Bow Wow going to come earlier than Harold and Chester anticipated? Next book I'm really excited to be adding to my collection. I was so surprised, but Care Bears sent me one of their Halloween bags. It was like a limited edition for Halloween last year, and it was so cute. Care Bears, Trick or Treat. Look at how cute they are in their little costumes with their little pumpkin pails, sharing the fun of a spooktacular Care Bears Halloween. Quinlan B. Lee, illustrated by Jay Johnson. They're so whimsical, so colorful, so bright. I don't have a costume for tonight, Grumpy Bear grumbled. Oh my goodness. Let me know if you guys were a fan of Care Bears. Look at this little pumpkin up here. How sweet. Oh, so cute. Okay, so the next one we have is The Lonely Scarecrow. This is by Tim Preston, illustrated by Maggie Neen. In the middle of a field, under a sky the color of cornflowers, stood a scarecrow. More than anything, the scarecrow wants to be friends with the playful animals who live in his field. How sweet. But they are too afraid of his crooked carrot nose and jagged metal mouth to come near. When a snowstorm disguises him as a jolly snowman, the scarecrow is given a second chance to win their friendship. But what will happen when he loses his snowy coat and his new friends realize who he really is? So this one is called Pumpkins Everywhere. This one looks pretty fun. I also liked it because the cover is glitter, like the moon. The feeling of this just makes me think of being a kid in school. It's Halloween and there are pumpkins everywhere. Follow the adventures of 4 little trick-or-treaters as they make their way to the pumpkin parade. Illustrations are adorable. Pumpkin happy, pumpkin sad. How cute. Oh, this page is fun. So this one I was really excited about because I like collecting activity books, like Halloween decor idea books. Okay guys, sorry about that, my camera died. This is by Judith Stamper. Love this contents page, so cute. Copyright is 1993 anyway. So with this one you get stories, you get little craft ideas. Here it shows you how to carve a pumpkin seed treat. This takes me back. Halloween ha-has. What do you get when you drop a pumpkin? Squash. Why did the witches team lose the baseball game? Their bats flew away. It's easy to pretend you're a witch on Halloween night. Visit a costume shop for a pointed black hat and a long cape. Oh, bobbing for apples. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fun. Appleseed fortune. So what you do is you cut an apple, open and sort out the seeds, count how many are there. 2 seeds predict good luck, 3 bad luck, 4 predict wealth, 5 predict early marriage, 6 predict fame, 7 predict a great surprise in the near future. How to tell if your house is haunted. Checklist. Banging shutters, bats, black cat on a porch, broken window. Halloween trivia quiz. Are you guys ready? What is a group of witches called? A coven. Where did the famous witch trials of New England take place? How many bones are in the human skeleton? Over 206. So this book is called Switch Witch. This is by Laura Spear. Art is by Nashbox. A magical Halloween tradition. Since long ago and still this year, when Halloween is coming near, switch witches cheer. Let's go visit. Of course to stay with you, my dear. What's a little switch witch, I wonder? Oh, flying through the sky in our little cauldron. Switch witches love to switch their look, disguised or hiding in a nook. Sometimes at night, all on their own, they may goof off or read a book. My goodness, so adorable. This next one is called Scarecrow, and this is by Valerie Littlewood. Here's an inviting and accessible look at that friend to farmers and favorite Halloween figure, the Scarecrow. Just in time for autumn harvest comes this nifty nonfiction picture book that sings the praises and histories of scarecrows. This thoughtful approach shouldn't be lost in the shuffle. Best are the detailed crosshatched drawings and more formal paintings depicting a great variety of these appealing or scary figures. A useful visual resource. First-rate Halloween browsing. Oh, we have not a Halloween card. We have a library card. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, how sweet is this? This is from November 1995. Oh, I hope all these little kids enjoyed this sweet book. I also like to see when people have checked out the book, because normally, you know, it's like probably around Halloween fall time, but we have a few little readers that checked this out January. We also have February on there. I love that so much. We have another Halloween little activity book. So this one is called Halloween Fun, Great Things to Make and Do. This is by Abigail Willis, also Annabelle Spenceley. All kinds of tricks and treats can be found in this colorful book of activities for Halloween. Make a spider costume to send shivers down your spine. Cook delicious delights from the witch's kitchen. Fool your friends with spooky sounds and shadows. Create a monstrous mask and play ghoulish games. You'll find these activities and many more to make it the best Halloween ever. Some little art projects. Oh, love the recipes. We're gonna have to make some Halloween recipes this year, guys. I feel like I stay away from it because our kitchen is so dark and the lighting just is not great. But maybe I can work something out. Gruesome gains, ghostly groans. So cute. Here's our last book of this Halloween book haul. This one is called The Halloween Book. This is by Jane Bull. 50 creepy crafts for a hair-raising Halloween. I almost thought that was gonna be textured with glitter. Packed with fantastic activities for the spookiest night of the year. Carve flickering jack-o'-lanterns, create creepy costumes, dig into terrifyingly tasty treats for the ultimate Halloween party. So copyright is 2000. Hanging horrors, sweet treats, buckets of treats. Look how happy these kids look. All the costumes. It's just making my Halloween heart so happy. Silhouette windows. I love silhouette windows. Definitely a mood booster for sure. Alright guys, well that is going to be it for this Halloween book haul. I'm so happy to be adding these to my book collection. I hope you enjoyed this kind of format for these book hauls, and maybe it gives you a little closer look inside to all of them. And I kind of think I like doing my book hauls this way, so please let me know in the comments. Thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more book hauls on my channel. I hope that this video has kind of taken you back to childhood, taken you back the days back in school, grade school, where your teachers would decorate and read to you and you could wear costumes to class. Like, if you guys want to join my community, super supportive, super kind. I love them so much. Definitely check out my Patreon. That is linked down below. And you can also join my community by just subscribing to this channel, commenting, saying, hey, let me know how you guys are doing. Take care of yourself, and if it's a down day, there's always tomorrow to be a better day. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!